Hello beautiful people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will unbox the Lookfantastic, the ultimate beauty destination goodie bag. If you want to see what's inside, stay with me. I like that the products comes in a very useful bag, just perfect for traveling. First I took out a sample from Too Faced, Hangover Replenishing Face Primer infused with coconut water. Second, we have a full-size product from Mina, the fixing spray. This spray may be used in different ways. First, before your makeup as a face primer. Second, you may use it on the top of your makeup as a fixing spray, or you may use it as a face mist. It's made in Italy and is paraben free and cruelty free. Next, we have a sample from Rituals, the Rituals of Ayurveda shower oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. And this collection from Rituals smells great. I like it a lot. Here we have a product from Dr. Pow Pow, Shea Butter Balm, natural and organic multi-purpose soothing balm for lips, skin, cuticles and hair. It's cruelty free, is vegan and is fragrance free too. This is a great product to have with you when traveling, no doubt. Next is a product from Vita Liberata, Body Blur, High Definition Body Makeup in the shade Latte. Mineral 89 Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster is made in France, is fragrance free and alcohol free too. OI Hair Care, and here we have a hair mask sample. I tried this hair mask before and it's lovely, it leaves the hair smooth, really nice hair mask. And the last product found inside is from CeraVe, SA Smoothing Cream for dry, rough and bumpy skin. Okay guys, this was all the products found inside of Lookfantastic, the ultimate beauty destination goodie bag. What do you think about all of these products? Did you try any of them? Let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. And this was today's video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!